Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover TikTok account forgot password. First of all, open up the TikTok app. After opening the app, click on the Use Phone or Email option. Choose your email username option. Enter your email and tap on Forget Password. Tap to reset password with email. Click on Reset. Then you receive the verification code on your email. Open up Gmail and view the verification code from here. Now copy the code and paste it back in TikTok. Enter your new password to reset the password and click to log in. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.